Documents and contracts templates help you easily manage agreements with customers. They also provide the space for your team members to fill out their information when needed. Now you can use workflows to assign these fields dynamically. Let's check how. When setting the To Be Signed By field as the sender, you will get a reminder that this field can be set dynamically with workflows. When selecting a template with fields assigned to the sender, a field named Assign Sender Fields To will appear for you to dynamically assign ownership. Whenever you select a template with fillable fields assigned to the sender in the Send Documents and Contracts action, you can set the user assignment in your workflow. Let's learn how. Create or edit a workflow inside the Automation section. Once inside the Workflow Builder, add the action Send Documents and Contracts. Select the From User and a template with fillable fields assigned to the sender. Under Assign Sender Fields To, select either From User if the signer should be the workflow sender, or Template Owner if the signer should be the user who last updated the template. Save your action, then save and publish the workflow to complete the configuration, helping you easily manage deals where ownership changes but the document remains unchanged. We hope you enjoy it.